You can now chart tool velocity changes, taking into account machine tool inertia when using machine code-based simulation. Taking machine tool inertia into account results in a more realistic velocity curve showing smoother acceleration and deceleration. This behavior is dependent on the specified kV factor for each axis, that is, the dynamic property that determines the relationship between the machine tool velocity and the velocity error during positioning. It indicates the velocity with which a given position error is reduced to zero. The tool trace options under simulation settings are new. Size determines how much of the tool trace is displayed during simulation. Tool trace mode determines the coloring scheme for the tool trace. These schemes can be based on motion type, acceleration, or velocity. Dragging charts the velocity taking into account the influence of machine tool inertia when accelerating and decelerating, resulting in a smoother, more realistic curve. The axis velocity profiles and tool velocity profiles are new. These options allow you to plot the velocity for a specific axis or for all tool movements. Channel main plots the tool velocity without taking into account acceleration and deceleration caused by machine tool inertia. As a result, the curve is not smooth, showing sudden jumps where velocity changes occur. Tool main plots the tool velocity while taking into account acceleration and deceleration caused by machine tool inertia. As a result, the curve is smooth where velocity changes occur. The ability to plot while taking into consideration the machine tool inertia was enabled by turning on the dragging option in the simulation settings dialog. You may also plot the velocity for a specified axis. As with tool main, the curve is smooth where velocity changes occur. Show tool trace graphically displays the acceleration, deceleration, and constant velocity traces. Show axis and show tool velocity profiles in customer defaults must be turned on to enable the new tool trace capabilities.